What's going on, guys? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. I want to ask you guys a quick question. How much do you actually trust your trading strategy? Because a lot of times traders will have indicators, they'll have a strategy, they'll start practicing, working on some type of process, and they will run into a day where they're given entries, they're given setups, and the trade doesn't work. And then you're given another one and the trade doesn't work. And you're given another setup and the trade doesn't work. And then instead of falling back on their trading plan and telling themselves, my strategy is not in a premium day session, I need to come back tomorrow and stop trading on the day. No, what do? They start looking at other indicators. They start looking at things that they don't trade on a normal day-to-day basis. And then they get out of control. And then they find themselves in a hamster wheel where they're now thinking that, they need to change time frames and they need to drop the strategy altogether. Guys, if you don't have trust in your strategy that it works, there's only a couple of reasons why. You haven't had success with it long term, which means not that it doesn't work, that you personally have not stuck to it long enough over a body of work, 20 trades, 50 trades, 100 trades, and seen that it is profitable. 2, you have not back tested it enough to give yourself that mental confidence that, yes, my trading strategy is not going to work all the time, but I know it works more than it doesn't. That's all you need. Like, I've back tested my strategies. I have a few of them, handful of them, where I look to take trades. I've back tested them thousands of times, and I've probably taken thousands of trades on these setups. I know that they work. I know that if I just stick through it, I will be profitable. And I know that not every day is going to be perfect. Perfect example. Yesterday, I was getting loads of entry setups, and I was getting stopped out a lot. I really had to pull a lot of tools out of my bag just to even break even and finish small green on the day. Now, I wasn't around trading for the big drop. So for those of you guys out there, well, why didn't you just short because I wasn't even around. I wasn't trading. So, but when we come in today there was more follow through. And if we look at the setup today, lost below the 20. This was a 1-to-1 of 22 points. It does hit. Now, again, today I wasn't looking for a full 1-to-1. That's a full transparency. What I was looking to do was take my setup, get in, start with 2 contracts, buy another, load up all the way to 5 contracts, scalp, get out, get in, get green. Because I didn't know if it was going to be like yesterday where we had no follow through. Turns out I could have actually sat on a 1-to-1 all day and probably would have made a little bit more money, but that's okay. I finished the day up today very nicely in the Top Step evaluation account, up $400. So I'm not going to complain. Trading micros. Again, here's a setup that does not confirm. Here's a setup to the short side, hits for 20 points, right? Or does this one? I don't know if this one hit for 20 points or not. I'd have to do the math on it. So the low price on this one was 845 and the low price here is 815. Yes, it does. It does hit for 20 points here. And this was a beauty. Look how big this candle is. This is a 57-point candle, guys. I was actually in here, started with 2 contracts. Once I seen us come up, get rejected at VWAP, we pulled back down and we broke. I bought some more contracts and then we pulled back down and I was like, oh shit, maybe we're going to come back down. Again, trusted my strategy. I've played it enough. We're still above the 20. Obviously, I've got a 57-point max pain stop loss down here if I want to let it go there. But once we started to really push up higher here, boom, 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 it actually hit for 57 points. Guys, and I only took about 20 something points off of the move. I can't even believe it. Like, I would have made so much more money if I would have just held it. Again, D, trust your strategy, right? Trust your strategy. Again, also, guys, I'm not perfect. I'm human just like you. I was happy with the profits that I had. I was already green on the day. I just wanted to end the day. Like, this week has mentally drained me from trading and just the price action. And it's just been, I feel like yesterday was Friday already. But what I'm saying is, if you don't have confidence in your strategy, you're not going to take the trades because you're worried. You're not going to take the trades because you're scared. You're not going to take the trades because, oh, they didn't work yesterday, so you're looking at something else today when it's like your original strategy is working. So I want to say this. Do you trust your strategy? If so, have at it. Take as many setups as it comes. Just rely on your trading plan to tell you, hey, if you make X amount of dollars, stop trading. Hey, if you lose X amount of dollars, stop trading. Protect your risk. If you do that, you come in on a day-to-day basis and you look for the same things, you do the same things, you protect your risk, you guys are going to make money. Most of you guys are so impatient, you want to make everything today. And sometimes today is not a good day. Today was a better day than it was yesterday, in my opinion. as far as the big flush. But again, that's irrelevant. That's a big momentum flush that we had yesterday. You know, you would have had to be chasing that candle. But anyways, so what I'm saying is have confidence. If you don't have confidence, it's because you haven't taken enough of your trades. If you don't have confidence, it's because you haven't back tested it enough to know that it does work. Guys, if you're back testing, you know that it works, right? So why get hung up on one day where it doesn't? Why blow yourself up doing everything you shouldn't do on one simple, stupid day? Because you could come into tomorrow and have beautiful setups like this that run for 50 plus points. No stress, no stress. Did it ever give you a reason to get out? No, it wicked below the 20 period moving average once. Maybe you were going to be in a little bit of drawdown here. But again, come on, guys. I mean, it's not that much drawdown, right? And then boom, explodes. So just have faith, have some fun, guys. I feel like everyone is so tense when it comes to trading. Everyone's like, I need this to be right. I need this to be right. No, we got to break this price. No, I need quadruple confirmation on this entry. This didn't work for me yesterday, so I'm not doing it today. Guys, protect your risk, manage yourselves, have some fun. This is trading. We're on the trading floor, baby. Let's get excited. Let's make some money. Everyone's walking around with the frown on their face all the time, worried about they've been studying for 10,000 hours and they can't get it to work. You can't get it to work right, or it's not working right because you are not working the process right. You, my friend, you, not the strategy. It's never the strategy. It's you. It's never the market. It's you. Because even when the market is not doing what you want it to do, guess who's clicking the buttons to buy and sell instead of just saying, this market sucks today and it just coming back tomorrow? You. Guess who took 3 losing trades and decided to keep trading? You. Guess who was up $500 and lost it all and finished red? You. Why? It's not the market's fault. It's not your strategy's fault. It's not the process's fault. It's you. Your trading plan is faulty. Or you're not following it. Hold yourself accountable, because if you worked for me, you'd be fired. Not really, right? But you guys would be fired if you're not. Like, I'm gonna paint an example. If I was running a firm and I had someone, I put a trader to manage my money, and I gave him my strategy of just a simple strategy where every time we get this 20 SMA play, you better take it and you better use a 1-bar stop system, and you better either take profits on it, whether you're gonna take partials or you're gonna let it ride to a full 1-to-1 or get stopped out, and you didn't take the trade. Why do I want you trading on my team? If you took partials and you took some cash, that's fine. At least you did your job and you can justify why you wanted to take money. That's fine. If you didn't take the trade at all, you're gone, fired. Like, this is a premium setup that went for over 50 points at a full 1-to-1, and it's still kind of running right now. And you didn't make the company any money. You didn't make any commission on this trade. You didn't bring back me any more money than I gave you. When I'm spoon feeding you entries, think about it. So it's you that's the problem, not the market. Well, it didn't work yesterday and I got stopped out 4 times. I don't care about yesterday. We are talking about today. What happened yesterday, let's leave it in the past. Those of you guys who say, well, yesterday I got stopped out 5 times and the strategy didn't work, are still people that are upset that they got cheated on 10 years ago in high school. Okay, it's over with. Like, forget about it, right? Like, what happened 10 years ago in high school when you kissed the love of your life, and next thing you know, she's with your best friend next week. Like, stop being so soft. Have a little bit of a spine, stand up straight a little bit. Like, let's go. This is trading. Like, we're here to make money. We're not here to just mess around. Like, we're not here to cry about our losses. And as long as you're protecting yourself and you're managing your risk and you're not blowing yourself up on one trade, it's okay. There's going to be another day and there's going to be another trade. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to trade with me, that link is down in the description box below. If you want a trading plan, that link is down in the description box below. If you want one-on-one mentorship, that link is down in the description box below. If you want to trade with the team, that link is down in the description box below. If you want to learn how to pass a prop firm challenge, trading small size micros, that link is down in the description box below. If you guys just want to come hang out with me all day and hear me talk a bunch of smack, that link is down in the description box below. I'll catch you guys all in the next one.